Good morning, Standard 10 students. Now, in the Zoom class, many of you had asked about the song. Okay. And what is the impact or effect if Bassanio chooses the wrong casket? You'll want to know the swan in lake and drowning in the watery bed. Now, the first thing you have to understand is when Bassanio insisted that he wants to make his choice, then she says, let the music be played. Now, it could be possible that the music was already pre-planned to give Bassanio a clue as to which is the right casket. We have to be made to understand that. Okay, whether it is there or not. But she says, let the music be played. Now, the idea of the music being played is to ease the tension. Remember, both are tensed. Bassanio is tense because his entire fate depended on choosing the right casket. And he loses everything. He loses the love of his life. He loses all the wealth. And he may lose his best friend. Alright? So, he is undergoing a tremendous amount of tension. That is why he says, I live upon the rack. Now we come to the other part, where Portia is concerned. Now, Portia genuinely loves Bassanio. And she does not want to lose him. That is why here she is trying her best to convince Bassanio not to be in a haste. Somewhere or the other, she will try to give him the clue indirectly as to which casket to choose. Now, she had no time for that. So, most probably, the only clue that she could be of some help is through the song. And she does not want to lose him, as she genuinely loves him. And then how she criticizes the other 6 suitors, then the Prince of Morocco, then the Prince of Aragon. So, he says, this is too much. I must marry the man whom I love. And now when Bassanio comes, now she says, this is a golden opportunity. Even she was going up to that extent. She tells Nerissa regarding the other suitors that if I am forced to marry any of them, then I think I will have to. Then Nerissa says, I think then we will think of breaking your father's oath and making you marry the way you would like to marry. So now the song is being played. Now I'm not going to talk about the lyrics in the song. She says, let the music be played. And if he fails to choose the right one, then I'm afraid he will have a swan in lake. So, the effect of losing or choosing the wrong casket. So, Bassanio is going to be very disappointed. He's going to be very sad, and he will die in grief, die in sorrows. It is as simple as this. Okay, we keep it till here. Now we come to the other part. A swan, they say, it remains mute. It does not utter a single word throughout its life. But just before dying, they swim on the river and then they sing a beautiful song. And while singing, the voice is fading and they are slowly sinking in the river waters. And finally, it dies or drowns and it settles down in the bottom of the river. So that is the swan end like. Okay. Now this type of death, she is talking about Bassanio. If he chooses the wrong casket, then he is going to die in grief. Okay. Now his watery bed, in which he is going to drown in sorrows, will be my tears. It does not mean that she is going to cry and cry and cry and fill up the room with tears and then Bassanio will dubbo in it. That is not, it is just an expression how he will die in grief, how he will die in sorrow. Because he will be thinking of Portia only and he will be sinking in sadness. Okay, it's an abstract expression. Like the sadness has been compared to the river. And he's going to sink, means he's going to die in grief. He will be thinking of Portia, thinking of Portia, thinking of Portia, and he will sink. So that is the effect if Bassanio chooses the wrong casket. Now, when we come to him choosing the right casket, then the same music, which was very mournful, which was very sad, the same type of music now becomes very happy one. Now there is excitement, there is joy and ecstasy. Okay, people are really shouting and screaming and dancing because the king is now going to be newly crowned. That happiness, the same kind of happiness, will be experienced in Portia's house. How happy Portia, Nerissa, Gratiano and the other attendants in the hall. They will be so happy if Bassanio chooses the right casket. Now everyone is tensed, everyone is very sad, and everyone is praying that he shouldn't choose the wrong casket. And the similar happiness is also being experienced of a bridegroom who is going to marry that day. And how he is sitting by the window side and enjoying himself. That today is his lucky day, today is the most happiest day, and the music that is playing will be ringing in his ears. Okay, and how he is enjoying the music of that particular day. It is just an expression and a comparison how people at weddings, they enjoy themselves, or when a king is going to be crowned, the same kind of happiness and joy that is experienced over there will be experienced in the hall in Portia's house. If Bassanio chooses the right casket. Now we come to the scroll. Again I am telling you, please listen to me. The three inscriptions and the three scrolls in the golden, silver and leaden casket. The three inscriptions and the three scrolls have to be memorized. in the Shakespearean language, word to word, line to line. Then the two letters, one which is written by Antonio to Bassanio, that also has to be memorized, as well as the letter written by Dr. Valerio to the Duke. All in the Shakespearean language if you want bonus points or full marks. If you write in your own language, then out of 3 you may get 1. You may write the right thing in your own language, but 50% or 75% of your marks will be cut. Now I am talking through experience. Okay? So don't look for shortcuts. If you have been told to memorize it, please start from today onwards. Write it down in a separate copy and mug it up. People may say, Jaruri nahi hai, it is not important as long as, but I am telling you, the council demands for certain things from the students. If you give them what they want, then you get 10%. If you are just appearing for the examination, then you get the marks the way you deserve. So, do not fall into the hands of people who is trying to make work easy for you. The council has made work easy for you by cutting short the syllabus. But they are not going to break the perception of education. Okay. Your understanding capacity, your memory power, your aptitude, okay, everything will be tested in the question paper. That they will not change. So, don't take things for granted. When a teacher advises you to do something, please listen. Now the choice is yours. Okay? In the next video, I will explain the scroll, and if you want, I can explain the way Bassanio has described the portrait of Portia. And on the 9th, you will be having your class test based on Act 3, Scene 2, up to where I have taught. Thank you.